takes a deep breath. What is that? That right there, ladies and gentlemen, is not the Tesla you grew up with. That is the 2027 Tesla Model X. And honestly, it looks like Tesla finally hired somebody who actually likes cars. Stick around because today we are deep diving the rumors, the leaks, the specs, and answering the one question everybody is afraid to ask. Is this the greatest luxury SUV on the planet? Let's get into it. Alright, let's talk about what we are looking at. I reviewed a lot of cars. But this obsidian black paint under direct sunlight, it hits different. Up front, Tesla has gone with a full-width LED light bar, stretching the entire width of the nose. That Tesla word mark glowing right through the center. This isn't just a styling cue. This is a statement. It's saying, I am the apex predator of this parking lot. From the side, beautifully sculpted fastback roofline. Smooth, aerodynamic, almost coupe-like. This is a 7-seat family SUV that somehow has the silhouette of a sports car. That is not an accident. Out back, that full-width red tail lamp with the clean center word mark ties it all together. Tesla's design language has evolved from minimalist tech box to luxury performance machine. And I am here for the glow up. Oh, and falcon wing doors? Still there. Still absolutely ridiculous. Still the coolest party trick in the entire segment. Non-negotiable. Step inside. And yeah, wow, Tesla has gone full first class cabin on us. This white quilted leather, it feels like they looked at a Rolls-Royce Cullinan and said, hold my supercharger cable. Up front yoke style steering wheel, love it or hate it, it looks absolutely sick. Plus a redesigned 1/7-inch center touchscreen, running the latest Tesla OS. And a dedicated driver display. Finally, Tesla. Finally, the dashboard is this gorgeous. White over black floating shelf. Zero clutter. Maximum drama. Carbon fiber accents throughout. Ambient lighting wraps the entire cabin. But the rear. This is where Tesla went crazy. Executive reclining seats. Individual fold-out tablet screens. Deep pile carpet flooring. This isn't family transport anymore. This is a mobile boardroom. And that panoramic roof, stretching the full length of the vehicle, you feel like you're sitting inside a glass house. An incredibly fast, incredibly luxurious glass house. Alright, let's get into the meat of this. Because at the end of the day, it's gotta go. Powertrain tri-motor AWD Plaid. Output to 1,100 horsepower. 0-60 miles per hour, 2.5 seconds. Top speed to 163 miles per hour. Range to 380 miles. Est. Charging 0-80% in to 20-minute 4. In a 7-seat SUV. Let that sink in. And yes, full self-driving V5 hardware. Baked right in. Latest generation AI chips. Cameras, sensor suite, all of it. This thing basically drives itself. Now the price? Buckle up. Base Model X $99,990. Long range AWD $109,990. Plaid tri-motor $129,990 plus. White interior PKG add to $10.15K. Is it expensive? Absolutely. Is it cheaper than a Bentley Bentayga? With more performance. And a 4-year software update cycle? Also, absolutely. So, who's going up against this thing? Let's run it. Rivian R1S to $78,000, loses on tech and speed. BMW iXM $60,000 to $108,000. Interior, clothes, range inferior. Mercedes EQS SUV to $115,000. Luxury match, slower and less range. Porsche Cayenne to $105,000. Driving feel wins, EV range loses. Lucid Gravity to $94,000. Closest rival real fight on range. Bottom line, the 2027 Model X wins on performance, software, and tech ecosystem. In almost every head-to-head, the Lucid Gravity is the one I'm watching. That's gonna be a real, legitimate dogfight going into 2028. So here's the verdict. The 2027 Tesla Model X is what happens when a tech company finally decides to build a real luxury car. Fast, gorgeous, loaded. And for the first time, it genuinely feels premium from the inside out. The price is steep, the yoke still divides opinion. Official specs still pending. But everything we're seeing points to one thing: a serious machine. Is this the best electric SUV money can buy in 2027? I think it just might be. Drop a comment. Would you spend $130K on this? Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, because we are not done talking about this car. This has been the 2027 Tesla Model X. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.